God, bloody hell, that's hot. 6 o'clock in the evening and it's still 20 degrees. Beautiful. Evening, everyone. Beautiful evening, so we thought we'd go and have a bimble. Not going to go too far, I doubt, looking at the time, 6 o'clock in the evening. We were due to go Tuesday night, but that never came off, so going this evening, Saturday evening. The good thing is it'll give me a chance to test the DJI Mic 2 in Mike's helmet as well. I think it says it's got something like 250 meter range. I've got the receiver plugged into my phone again, so all being well, that will record both me and Mike and put it all on one track, so hopefully less editing. Can't make me mind up. A Honda Lego, never heard of that. Tiny little thing. That would do my head in. Look how she's hanging off the back of there, look, to look round him. Why don't you sit up? He must be having to counterbalance that like hell. Yep, she would definitely do my head in as a passenger. In the last video I put up, we went past the old local do-gooders with their little radar gun. Hopefully there won't be any of those out this evening. Hopefully Michael's ready. He is Captain Faff, who said 6-ish. As long as 6-ish doesn't turn into 7. I used to be one of those mad bastards. My claim to fame, I cycled John O'Groats in Scotland, the whole length of the country, down to Land's End in Cornwall. I thoroughly enjoyed that. I think if I attempted to get on a push bike now, my ass would say, not again, not again. Don't know, might invest in one of those electric push bikes, e-bikes, whatever you call them. But then haven't they got a tendency to catch fire? Oh, the old girl's due her service soon. She has done 3,500 miles now. Oh, don't tell me he's out. Is he ready? Good God, the bike's out.
Alright, which way are we going then?
Wherever you want.
Trying to think now.
See, that's clearer now.
You're nice and clear.
Yeah, I reckon it's where we were at the side of your house.
Right.
Yeah, you're clear as a bell now.
Good. Where are we going? Where are we going? Bloody... Oh, towards Blandford then.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you could go out crossways, couldn't you? Half puddle.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Out half puddle that way.
Just got to be careful on the lookout for low-flying tractors coming out of fields.
Yeah. Yeah, it's that time of year, isn't it?
Yeah.
God, I need a pee again. Bloody hell. Should have put my night bag on.
See, I could have had my phone on my phone holder on the bar just in front of the screen, but I thought, no,
yeah.
My luck, it'll fucking over the bumps, it'll shake it loose and I'll lose the bloody receiver.
Yeah.
Could always put elastic band around it, I suppose.
Yeah. I'll tell you, there's no danger of this thing falling out of my helmet.
Is it tight?
Yeah, I just grabbed the bloody furry bit with my teeth if it got loose.
Well, you can buy those singularly, and they're £89 and it'll record. It doesn't. It doesn't have to pair to my phone, the receiver. It will record just you.
Right.
So it'll record to itself. Yeah, bloody hot. Still 19 degrees. It's showing.
Oh, bloody hell. I forgot how that shifted on.
Yeah, it fucking does. This instant grunt.
Got my new tyres on as well, so
I know it's
feel
awkward.
alright.
If you do, have a glance in your mirror as you go round a bend and see whether my cornering lights are working. They should be.
right, okay.
You know, even I'll do it now. Even that should put one on.
So where do they pop up?
Down in this.
On the fairing?
Yeah, you got that big glass panel, sort of knee height. Oh,
Well, I'll have a look.
target acquired.
Yeah, it's on. Yeah. He was turned on.
What? Just one?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, the one in the inside of the bend.
See, there's three that will come on the more you lean.
Oh, okay. Cool. Bloody hell, it's been a while. About bloody time.
Yeah. Go on, bugger. There's an old Vauxhall Senator estate over there. Or is it?
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to have a look.
There was a classic car show on at Dorch in the Brewery Square this afternoon. I had a look.
That's a Senator.
What is it?
Senator estate. Not bad, isn't it, either. 1992.
Cool. Bloody hell. 20 quid, 11 litres. Fucking hell.
I say at least Dick Turpin had the decency to wear a fucking mask.
Yeah.
Bastards.
Yeah, right. I'll have a pee while I'm in there as well. Where are we at? What number? Number 8. Right. Number 8. Card, please. How much was it? 20, yeah. Got it. Bloody robbery. Excuse me. There's only a tiny amount of toilet roll left in the toilet, okay? Cheers.
You got that microphone?
Yeah, it hasn't moved.
Oh, did you manage to get your helmet off with it in?
I didn't take it off.
Oh.
I was just pissed blind. You love it. You get fleeced for your bloody petrol, and then you got the decency to have bog roll in the toilet.
Do you know what? When I sat there in the sun there, the old temperature went up to 26 degrees again.
Bloody hell.
It's coming down rapidly now.
Yeah, well, mine's showing 21, but it's been sat still, isn't it? Warm,
Yeah,
so.
yeah, plus you was under the canopy.
Yeah, it should stop. It'll start dropping now, won't it? The sun's getting low. See, I would have had that if I was a bit less rusty.
Yeah.
I'll have this though.
Nothing coming. Yeah. Don't forget them fuckers down here have got a hairdryer as well, didn't they?
You what?
These bastards who live down here have got a hairdryer as
Yeah,
well.
yeah. That's the last place I saw it was down here. Down here and on the way into Salisbury as well. Oh, fuck.
Oh yeah, up on that high pavement.
You fucking numpties, aren't
I said, surely you've got something better to do with your fucking
they?
evenings.
You'd have thought so, wouldn't you? Stick it on the old cruise control. That sorts it out. I thought I'd better top it up with some decent fuel, because that fuel's been sat in that tank for months.
Yeah.
But it's definitely high octane anyway.
Scabby old surface, isn't it?
You what?
It's a scabby old surface.
Yeah, it's got used to be smooth as up through here.
Yeah.
Yeah, all clear.
suppose we could go Salisbury Road and then cut left it and go Tollard Royal.
Alright, let's do that. Fuck it.
I'm just swinging my arm round now and then. It's alright at the minute.
Make sure
sod's law, wouldn't it? I make
sure you
get
swing
miraculous recovery.
Yeah. Make sure you're swinging the right way. So you swing your arm round and think you're fucking turning left.
I think I'm oh, resurfaced.
Oh, so I mean, we're supposed to be going to the roundabout, weren't we?
I don't matter, this way's alright. Brings us in, doesn't it?
Yeah, I haven't been this way for a long time. I've got it in my brain. I was thinking about this route and I completely forgot we were supposed to be going up to Hanley Cross. Do we carry on here, yeah?
Yeah.
So I don't remember it. It's been a while.
Yeah, straight on.
Oh, we got to watch it with these bloody high hedges this time of year.
So where they went left back there.
Left, did you say?
No, where they went left.
Yeah.
Back up there, that brings you out the other side of Tollard Royal on that bend, on that nice big right-hand sweeping bend.
Yeah, I know, yeah. We'll be in a comedy 20 limit in a minute, won't we?
40? Oh, and then they'll drop it again, won't they? I thought, fucking hell, they've put it up.
Yeah. What's that all about? That's more of a target now.
That garlic, lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, bloody lovely. It's all that white flowers, isn't it? Oh, here we are.
20?
Yeah. Back to the standard road surface. Fucking hell.
Shite, isn't it?
It's terrible, isn't it?
So yeah, that junction on your left in a minute is where that road comes out.
I know what you mean, yeah. Last time I was down here there was gravel on this one. Oh no, we're alright. All clear.
Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Scabby old road there, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, lovely. Right, here we are, isn't it? Here we are. So you need the whole bloody road to turn in. Well, I do anyway.
So, we're off to Guy Ritchie's place.
Yeah. Have you been up here since he did it all up?
Not since they've done it, no.
Oh, right, okay. Yeah, sorry.
I always got to hear that.
Of the old Beezer, isn't it?
Oh, lovely. Beautiful.
It's a cracking view down through there, isn't it?
Yeah. Not when you're in one of them planes barreling towards it at a great rate of knots.
I think your best option there would be to land in the fucking treetops.
That's alright, if it is, we can go to the end, turn right, and then there's that viewing point, isn't there?
Yeah.
Aye, they've got hangars here now, look.
Alright.
Yeah, shut, isn't it?
Yeah. I thought it stayed open while it was daylight, you know? Because there'll be a few people flying still, if they wanted to.
Yeah. There.
Yeah, they do. You know, they don't fucking cut these verges back, do they?
No.
That's right, we're clear left, right.
Clear left.
Go.
Clear?
Yeah, go. Fine. We're pulling here, yeah?
Yeah. Mackerel sky.
Yeah. Lovely, isn't it? Right, I'm going to pop it over there, I think.
Right there.
Have a fag a minute.
Fag a minute.
Can I have? Yeah, I'll do my best. Is that an order?